Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a QQ account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to create a QQ account here for QQ, well, this one is kind of complicated. Now, the thing with QQ here, currently it's only available in certain regions. So it's not yet available for everyone. So it may be kind of difficult. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to first visit their website here, which is going to be im.qq.com. Now, in their website, obviously this is going to be in Mandarin, so I would highly recommend you to translate it if you're not familiar with the language. So typically, you just need to right-click on any empty area here, and you can go and choose the option here that says Translate to English. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like in English. Now, what you're looking for is going to be the option for account services at the very top. So once you hover over it, you should see the register an account option here. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, it's going to ask you to basically provide the following details. Again, translate this to English if you can't read it. Now, in here, what we need to do is want to provide the necessary information like your nickname, your password, and also a phone number. Now, the phone number here is a requirement. This is a kind of like an ID to identify your account here. So it's the whole anchor for you to create your account. So obviously, you need to have either Chinese or a SIM card from China, from Hong Kong, or Macau, or even Taiwan. Now, once you've entered the phone number here, you can go and just click on the send verification code and basically to verify your phone number. Now, if you don't have any of these type of phone numbers or SIM cards, I would highly recommend you to maybe subscribe to a online or a virtual SIM card online. Now, there are a lot of softwares or platforms out there you could try, so you could go and choose one to your liking. Now, once you've provided all the details and click on register, now obviously they will ask you further details like your birthday in order for you to complete the whole account setup process. Now, if you don't want to set this up via your PC, you could also set this up in your mobile device. So, by the way, just to give you some idea, if you don't want to set up via your phone number, there is an alternative way here for you to set up an account without using any phone number. So how do you exactly do it? So let's go and switch over to our mobile device. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for QQ in your Google Play Store, or if you're in a iPhone, go ahead and search for QQ and just make sure that you have the latest version. Now let's go ahead and click on open. Now in here you have two options. You have the login and the register. So the blue one is going to be the login, and the white button here is going to be the register. Let's go ahead and click on register. Now, the thing with QQ here is currently you can only sign up via phone number here. But if you click on the option here for at the very bottom, you have like that text just underneath the button. If you click on it, it should give you the option to what we call enter an invitation code. Now, if someone actually invited you, or if someone that is currently subscribed to a premium or the premium for QQ, well, you'll have the option to create an account for 3 days and basically enjoy the platform for 3 days and try it for yourself if you really like it. Now, in this case, you just need to enter the invitation code that you've got and just click on the create account, and obviously they will ask you for details in order for you to create your account, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.